Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to add new Interac e-transfer contact on Scotiabank. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website scotiabank.com, then click on the Sign In button. Next, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Move Money at the left side of the screen. Click on Move Money. Then, on this page, you will see an option that says Interac e-transfer. Click on Interac e-transfer. Next, under Manage, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Contacts. After that, on the upper right side of the screen, you will see a blue text that says Add New Contact. Click on Add New Contact. Then on this page, enter your 4-digit Scotia card PIN. After entering, click on Continue. You will then be redirected on this page. On the fields provided, enter all the necessary information such as the name, email address and phone number of the contact person you wish to add. After entering all the necessary information, click on Continue. Lastly, review the information entered. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Add Contact. That's how you add a new Interac e-transfer contact on Scotiabank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.